So I'm here with my little princess this morning, and she has apparently learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. It takes a few minutes, not a quick process, but I think she solved it about 5 or 6 times, maybe more, I'm not sure. But here she goes. We're gonna watch her for just a couple of seconds. And her older brother, who's 9, figured it out. And after he figured it out, he taught her. And needless to say, I was floored. Her brother has probably solved the Rubik's Cube probably about 15 or 16 times, a whole lot of times. And she solved it quite a few times. But, I wish that I knew how to do this. Part of what we need to do as black parents is learn how to raise geniuses, and there is a method to do that. I don't think there's one method, but there are many. But there is, a pattern that we need to pretty much following. One is consistency, 2 is encouragement, and 3 is to have faith. So.
Ta-da!
Turn it all the way around, baby. All sides. Can I get a high five, baby? I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. How many times have you done this?
I have no idea.
Okay, but quite too many times?
Too many times to count.
Good job. Excellent. All right, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.